happy holidays! Today is actually Christmas Eve, so happy vlogmas! So today may be the last vlogmas because tomorrow is the 25th and it means that it's Christmas! Happy holidays, guys! Today we will be decorating my room for Christmas because I have friends coming over the weekend. So I need to clean up the mess that I have right in front of me, which you guys will have a sneak peek later. And make it festive and make it clean and neat and organized so that, you know, my friends, when they come over, they can have a good time. And also for me to enjoy, of course. So in this video, you guys can probably see bits and pieces of this room, this space, and I'm really excited to show you guys. But that would be for a later video, so subscribe so that you don't miss it. So this is the main part that I will have to redecorate because I am not happy with this. I basically just threw all the ornaments here and just like, you know, you can see everything's just placed there. It's kind of festive, but not really because it's not organized. But yeah, we're gonna fix this and we're gonna fix the rest of the room and clean it up so that it looks kind of okay. Yep. Excited for this. Covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. So we're gonna have to remove all of this first. Yep, okay, let's do it. All of the presents are still by the tree. Alright. Honestly, I have no idea what it's gonna look like. I'm just gonna try my best to make it look nice and presentable and festive. Okay. This is actually not bad. Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, cause his love is all I turn off all the lights. Okay, all the lights are on. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Okay, so this is not the best, but I like what I'm seeing. I like that little wreath that we have there, and I like that all my signs are still here. I don't have any more decoration materials, but honestly, I'm not a designer, so this is what we get. But yeah, I kind of love it. Okay, now time to clear the rest of the room. Wow. So happy. I want to wish you guys happy holidays, and if you celebrate it, Merry Christmas. 2020 wasn't the best year. December wasn't easy for some of us. I mean, 2020 COVID, it sucks, but I feel like there are always lessons to be learned and growth to be made. So, and honestly, I feel like this is an accomplishment because I've never ever decorated my room for Christmas or holiday seasons, but I figured vlogmas, COVID, staying indoors, having friends over, why not make myself a little decoration here? And I'm so happy to see it, honestly. It gives me so much festive vibes, and I decorated the two tables that I have in my room, and I like how they look, and they're very neat now, and I'm so proud of myself. I just have to like clean the floor and mop the floor, and we're all set for guests to come over. I mean, like, I'm not gonna have a huge gathering, just a few friends, like 1 or 2 friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and before we end, I wanna hold on. For those of you who follow me on Twitch, you guys know that I've been playing a few Christmas songs, and so this is it. I hope I'm okay. Last Christmas, last Christmas, gave you my heart, but the very and I probably got the lyrics wrong, but this is one of my favorite songs and I hope you guys liked it. If not, well, too bad. Hope you guys have a great holiday. I just want to wish you guys well and the best, and I'll see you guys really soon. Have a great time, and if not, stay strong. You've got this. If you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay maintained, jury. Goodbye. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our hearts. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay, I guess that's it. Me and the ukulele, eh? Yep, and we are done.